Remembering now, cutting corners, encircling rocks, rubbing sticks, igniting a flame. Creating light and warmth brings back deep feelings through memories, remembering missing you. Your warmth of your smile and the brightness of your body glows. The energy ignites the nervous system to be calm. Never to enjoy the uncomfortable feeling of butterflies. Remembering this only love is in disguise. Real love should always feel or leave you feeling easy and free. Your stomach is a warning. If it feels like butterflies, love is lying. Love's trying to tell you something. Butterflies are love with only the eyes. True love lies in the heart.